Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, today is the day that I said I must make back this drink. I did it the other day, but it didn't come out the way I want it, so I did it back again, guys. And hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. It's an amazing recipe. It's a drink, but it's a healthy drink recipe. I did it quite a few days ago, but the way I did want it, it didn't come out that kind of way. And I said to myself, you know what, I have to go and make it back for the fans, just to make the fans happy and feel welcome with this drink. Anyway, this is the way all the drink make. Alright, first of all, I want to simply say to you, I blend up all of my ingredients, just get prepared way ahead, that's the guys can see. Basically, I blend up some strawberry. I blend up roughly about 12 strawberry without any liquid. I just blend them up naturally just to get the thickness of it. Right over here, I blend up some spinach, roughly 2 handfuls of spinach I blend up with a little bit of water. Right over here, I blend up 3 banana and I put 3 yogurts inside of it. You can use your favorite yogurt where you like to use. So all I did is blend up all of my ingredients before. This is my glass which I want to use to do the ingredients. So I did it the other day, but it didn't come out the way I wanted. So I go back and I said to myself, the only way I could do this ingredients and to do it one more time again just to make the fans happy is gonna do just like this. This is the banana and the yogurt, a little bit down inside of the glass like this, like you guys can see exactly what's going on inside. So as you can see, I pour just a little bit in the glass, and also what we're gonna do is pour a little bit of the, sorry guys, that's what I was running from, but that's fine, a little bit of the spinach inside of it also, and also a little bit of the strawberry. As you can see exactly. And also a little bit more of the natural yogurt. Same thing with the spinach. And that lovely red color. So basically, as I can see, all of the ingredients, the color and everything inside of the glass. Then basically what you need to do is get a straw and simple. Give it a little stir. I was using the straw, but the straw didn't enough, so I'm gonna use my stick, which I normally do stuff with. Alright, so basically, as you can see, exactly what I want to show you guys. It's just beautiful and nice color, and as you can see, the color inside of the bottom of the glass. Really nice, and I'll tell you something, guys. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. As I can see, the different kind of color inside of the glass. Really amazing color, guys. As I can see, the different kind of complexion and the color and everything. But look at this one now. Nice. So look at this color now. This is exactly what I'm going to show you one more time again. Is to pour the banana flavor inside at the bottom of it like this. Lovely. And also a nice color of the green. Nice flavor of the red. A little bit more of the grain on top. Simple. Give it a nice little stir. And that is just beautiful and fantastic. Nice, lovely color. As you can see, hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. And it's a lovely color, guys, as you can see. So see you next time, and thank you so much. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye-bye.